their mask will slip. You could be thinking, why doesn't other people see what you know about this person? This person has been able to manipulate others around you with their charm, and this person is very underhanded. They've betrayed many different people, and you were actually one of them. They are also very sneaky. This person is a liar. This person is a thief. And you just don't understand why people around you cannot see what you know. But this individual is going to go through a tower moment. Okay, their mask is going to slip. They will not be allowed to continue in this toxic cycle that affects other people around them anymore. This person's behavior has affected you mentally and emotionally. It's affected your working environment. It's affected your work. It's affected your studying. If you study with this individual, it has affected you, because their energy is very strong, and the toxicity that radiates out of this person and their actions is very, very potent. People will start removing themselves from this individual. This person has a way of manipulating others through social charm, and people are going to start choosing otherwise. This person is going to start being overlooked. They want to be center of attention, and to their dismay, they're going to be rejected. People are going to start seeing the truth about this person's behavior, how they look down upon others, how they make other people feel small, how they are an actual bully. People are going to see through the smiles and the lies of this individual. This person doesn't radiate love. This person is a person that is very mean-spirited. They like to break people. They like to make people feel embarrassed. They like to gain pleasure out of people's discomfort. And this person likes to play in a lot of people's energy. They like to divide. They like to separate. They've been using the art of manipulation, whether knowingly or unknowingly. This person is mentally unbalanced. For some of you, this person has done spell work. And the spell work is going to start backfiring, and it's going to affect this person mentally. Someone in a position of power is going to call time on this person and their behavior, because it has to stop. You may be thinking that this person is getting away with things, and it could look like that in the now. But this person is actually collecting a lot of karma points until it's going to kaboom in their face. They're going to feel as if they haven't really got any real friends, because people will not want to be associated with this type of person. People who this person has wronged will all collaborate and come up against them. I feel as if they're going to be very shocked to know that someone that they look up to, that they felt that they manipulated, is going to be the one to either report them or dismiss them. This individual is going to be very shocked. They feel, or they felt like they've created this family connection within the environment where you reside with this person. But these same people that they feel are like family to them are going to be the same people that will remove themselves from them. These same people are going to leave this person feeling very distressed, and this person is going to be oblivious as to why they are going to, or they are actually experiencing this downfall. But the thing is, it's because of what they did in the past. It has, and it will catch up on them. This person's going to be ostracized. They're going to be rejected. For some of you, they try to reject you. They try to isolate you. The same is going to apply for this individual. This person is going to be trapped in fear. How did I get to this point? Because this is what they did to you, or this is what they wanted for you or did to others. They pushed people out of certain groups. They made people feel isolated. You know, they didn't think twice when they were upsetting people. They didn't think twice when they were making people feel less than. They didn't think twice when they were turning people against you and other people. They didn't think twice. They didn't care about anyone's emotions. And guess what? The same applies to them. People are not going to care about their emotions. People are going to mirror back their behavior back onto them. And guess what? They're not going to be able to cope. They will not have the emotional capacity to understand why they are feeling the way that they will feel. They're going to be at a loss. So guess what? They're going to resort to trying to do underhanded means to try and save face. They're still going to try and manipulate. They're still going to try and convince other people that they are not who they really are. But it's not going to work anymore, because people will see the truth of this individual. People will see that this person only cares about themselves. People will see that this person was using glamour magic, that they were projecting an image onto others of what they wanted people to see. It was all a facade. People will see that this person is immature. People will see that this person is a prejudice. People will see that this person is emotionally and mentally conflicted, only out for themselves and their own gains. And their behavior is going to be exaggerated and exposed. And people will turn their backs on this individual, and for good. This person is going to have to move away from whatever environment that you know this person in. They're going to be forced out of a group, of a clique, of a family, whatever the case is, because they do not belong in the new timeline that you are going into. People are getting fed up, and people will actually wake up. In the meanwhile, you are called to focus on your emotional and spiritual health. Make sure you're continuing to pray, to meditate, to pour into you, to become a better version to you. Focus on your goals, focus on your hobbies, focus on being a better version to yourself. Continue to treat people the way that you want to be treated, because this person is an example of what will happen to others that don't treat people kindly. Maybe when this person goes on their way, they will learn their lesson. For some of you, maybe not. This person may go into a new environment and try and cause madness, chaos, and conflict again. And guess what? The same thing that happened to them, or that is going to happen to them, will continue to happen to them. But keep spreading love, keep spreading light, and keep being the best version of you. Take care of yourself. Don't worry about this person. The universe will deal with them.